As far as a sporty ride is concerned, the McPherson strut front and multi-link rear suspension give a ride that's certainly firm, but it feels more connected than harsh, at least on the Swedish roads around Lynk Co's Gothenburg sites. There doesn't seem to be much body roll through corners, although Hermansson isn't throwing the car around. It's still an SUV, he reminded us, so it won't feel like a sports car. Performance from our car's 188 bhp 2.0-liter 4-cylinder petrol seems brisk enough, but Hermansson admitted that there's not too much difference between that and the all-new 178 bhp 3-cylinder 1.5-liter engine. A hybrid version, he says, will produce around 222 bhp, while the new 7-speed dual-clutch automatic in our car seems to be both responsive and smooth. As well as testing the car at Volvo's proving ground in Sweden and further north in the Arctic Circle, British firm Ricardo has been involved in the development of the 01 at its base in Shoreham-by-Sea, West Sussex, and at Millbrook proving ground in Bedfordshire. Hopefully that will bode well for how the 01 behaves on British roads when it arrives in 2019.
Don't try this yourself.